Serving more than 6 billion customers a year at over 6,000 locations, Taco Bell is a major player in the fast food industry. Since its birth in 1962, the Bell has always differentiated itself from other chains. Whether it's simply by serving tacos rather than cheeseburgers or crazy publicity stunts, it has always found a way to stand out. Here are some of Taco Bell's facts you may not have heard. You think $1 for a taco is cheap? Think again. In its early days in the 1960s, Taco Bell's menu only offered a limited number of classic options, and each item cost only 19 cents. Founder Glenn Bell spent much of his childhood helping his aunt run her bakery in Washington, and Bell really valued working with women. In its early days, there weren't enough managers to go around, and they were all men. Taco Bell was the first chain to hire women managers to run the stores. In 2011, an Alabama law firm sued the fast food giant, claiming its tacos only had 35% beef. Taco Bell shot back with full-page ads against the accusations. As the facts rolled out, Taco Bell's beef was found to have 88% beef and 12% secret recipe. In 2001, when Russia's Mir space station deorbited and headed to crash in the southern Pacific Ocean, Taco Bell set up a floating target. The target read, "Free taco here." Even if a fragment of the station landed on the target, Taco Bell promised every person in the US one free taco. Unfortunately for Americans, none of the Mir landed on the target. Taco Bell was the first national fast food chain to stop offering a kids menu and dropped it in 2013. According to Taco Bell, they aim to focus on people in their 20s and 30s as a means to rebrand itself as a millennial edgy brand. Sorry kids. The Doritos Locos Tacos added 15,000 new jobs. The success sparked from the wildly popular menu item allowed Taco Bell to employ more than 15,000 new workers in 2012. It propelled Taco Bell's popularity, outgrowing Pizza Hut, KFC, and even McDonald's. Selling nearly 1 million Dorito Locos Tacos a day in 2012, it's no wonder it took the fast food giant almost 2 years to perfect the concoction. The execution of the hit menu item posed a challenge for developers in design and recipe. They tested over 40 different recipes before finally getting it right. There are few fast food chains as beloved and controversial as Taco Bell. Whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that Taco Bell has some interesting history behind it and may be the best decision you can make at 1 a.m.
Today's video is brought to you by Taco Bell. No, not really, but that's where I'm headed, and I'm gonna get the Burrito Supreme.
But baby, it's so damn dramatic. Sometimes I don't know where to go. Oh, he's my sunshine and my headache, but I keep coming back for more.
I just get the Burrito Supreme just by itself.
Admit that I'm falling for you by looking in your eyes.
Taco Bell Supreme Burrito. Wait, no, Burrito Supreme. Hold on. Alright, let's have a look at this. Well, this is pretty boring. What a failure that was. I can't show you nothing. There's a wrap, guys. I can't show you the inside of it. Well, that was worth it.
So here's how you make Taco Bell's Burrito Supreme. Into a pan over a medium to high heat, add 500 grams or 1 pound of ground beef with an 80-20 split. Break the beef down into small clumps and brown for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of chili spice. Mix the spices in well and cook for a further minute. Now add 1/4 cup of thick tomato puree and mix until warm. To assemble the burrito, warm the tortilla in the microwave for several seconds, spread with 1 tablespoon of refried beans and half a cup of the beef mix over the top. Now dot over 1 tablespoon of sour cream, half a teaspoon each of finely chopped white onion and tomato, and then top with lettuce and grated cheddar cheese. Fold and serve, and now all we have to do is get stuck into this bad boy.
Hey Tiff, hey Jess, how are you?
Hey, good to meet you.
Oh, good to meet you too. So you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you
So ready.
excited?
I'm hungry. I'm so ready.
Right? Do you like Taco Bell?
We
Love
do.
Taco Bell.
We're big Taco Bell fans. So.
Awesome.
Welcome.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
for having us.
No, thank you for coming. Now, we've got the Taco Bell Burrito Supreme. Now, I know
I'm
you
ready.
guys are fans of Taco Bell,
We are.
Yes.
so you hopefully will enjoy this. So can you pop on your blindfolds for me?
All right.
Let's do it.
Can you see
right.
anything?
Nothing
Absolutely
at all.
not.
No?
No.
Cool.
Let them decide.
Maybe do rock, paper, scissors. We'll tell you who wins rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Oh my god, blind rock, paper, scissors.
Blindfolded rock, paper, scissors.
That sounds like a challenge in itself.
I'm
Okay,
ready.
let's sort
Okay,
out who chooses
where are
what
you?
by rock, paper, scissors, and I'll tell you who won.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2.
Wait.
Oh wait.
Wait, let's do the rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Draw.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You can pick whichever one, left or right. It's up to you, and you can open it up and then share.
Okay, here,
There we
Jessica.
go.
Got it. Okay. Are we supposed to do it at the
That
same
smells
time?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Nice. Nice and cheesy. Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. I just hit my face with it.
The lettuce is really fresh.
I like the, I don't know if it's sour cream,
The
but
sour
it's,
cream.
there's something about it. It's like juicy and it's in a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a very wet burrito though.
I would love if you guys just pranked us right now because we can't see anything. Like, this would be great.
No.
I'm sure it looked so graceful.
Like,
I think I
we're
hit
so-
my face
we're
with this
so
for a second.
vulnerable.
All right, here
Should
we
we
go.
take a bite?
Go for it.
Yep. I really like the meat in this one.
I agree. The meat in here is great. I'm
I
making
taste
a mess.
sour cream. I taste a lot of sour cream. It's wet, but it's not as wet
Not
as
as
the other
wet.
one. It's like a good middle ground for it.
The cheese in here is delicious.
Cheese, it's sour cream. That's what it is. I taste a lot of sour
The
cream.
sour cream in here is great. The tortilla's great. The meat's great. But I do like the last one too. This is hard.
Which would you buy, left or right? I'll start with you, Jess.
They're both really good. To be honest, I think I would buy the one that's in my left hand just because I like the beans and a little bit of the flavor. But this one seems like a healthier option if I'm trying to like really be a good person and eat better.
All right.
But I like both of them. Like I'd eat both of them.
I think the left one I would buy for sure. I think the right one, like Jess says, could be healthier, could be a better option. But the left one, the seasonings are really good on that meat. So, which one would you buy?
Let me think. Yeah, to the left.
So you both left.
Yes.
Yes.
Unanimous.
Unanimous left.
You sure?
Yes.
Take off your blindfolds, please.
I feel like I have makeup all over my eyes.
That's crazy.
Which one do you
pretty
think is Taco Bell?
This one.
This one? Is Taco Bell?
I
You
can
picked
see
mine.
it.
Wow.
Wow.
So
Smelled very much like Taco Bell.
I was getting confused.
The meat on this one was
because I
great.
took another bite of this one and then I really like this one better. Yeah, of
Thanks for
course.
having us.
Yeah, it was lots of fun.
Yeah.
Pick the right one.
Definitely.
I
Good
still
job.
think I got duped. Taco Bell. Can I just say, you suck. That was the worst burrito I have ever seen in my life.
Taco Bell. Her name is Jessica, and I'll give you the address for all the sue payments for the lawyers and all that sort of stuff, because you just said you hated Taco Bell.
I'm sorry, but it was terrible.
What about mine?
Your mixture was delicious.
That's all I needed to hear.
Yeah.